Rounding numbers. Estimation. In our day-to-day life, we come across many situations where we have to answer questions related to numbers. First, let's understand what is estimation. Look at this jar. Guess how many marbles are there in the jar? Yes, they are 10. These 10 marbles can help us to estimate the total number of marbles in the jar. Now guess how many piles of 10 marbles are there at the top of the jar? 1 pile, 2 piles, 3 piles and 4 piles. 4 piles of 10, that is equal to 40 marbles at the top of the jar. So now we have estimated the marbles only at the top part of the jar. To estimate the total number of marbles, we must divide the jar into layers of the same size. The 2 layers in the jar are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We see that there are 8 layers of 40 marbles, which is equal to 320 marbles. Therefore, we have estimated that there are approximately 320 marbles in the jar. Now, let's learn how to round off the numbers to nearest 10 and 100. First of all, there are some simple rules we must keep in mind before rounding off any number. Rounding up means go above 5 and rounding down means go to 0. Let's understand this with an example. Round off the number 93562 to the nearest 10 and 100. We round this number to nearest 10. We are rounding the tens place, so we will check the digit to its right, that is 2. 2 is the nearest to 0, so it will be rounded down and become 0. This is the original number rounded by tens place. Now let's round off to the nearest 100. The number in hundreds place is 5. So we will check the number right to it, which is 6. It is more than 5, so it will be rounded up and becomes 6. All the remaining digits to the right become 0. This way we can round off any number to nearest 10, 100, 1000 and so on.